एक मिनिट. Olense Bab, आयज गोंयचो एकवट इज अ व्हेरी स्ट्रॉंग ऑर्गनायझेशन इन गोवा आनी आमकां आयकूंक येता ते हिशोबान यू ऑल हॅव फील्ड कॅन्डिडेट्स अक्रॉस गोवा. आयज तूं कितें सांगूंक सोदता?
आयज आमी गोंयचो एकवट जो अम्ब्रेला आसा ऑफ मोर दॅन 30 ऑर्गनायझेशन, आयज आमी डिसिजन घेतलें आसा की एरियाज लायक केलोसी, कोर्ताली, सांकवाड, वेलसांव, कांसावली, उतोर्दा, कालांगूट, ऑल काणकोण to field fresh, clean face candidates with an objective to protect the constituency, the village, the ward, and main objective is to oppose the Trimne project also. आयज आमी पळयलां की जायते पार्टी इलेक्शना टायमार उठलेले आनी सगळे म्हणटाले की आमी आमगे डिफरंट ऑब्जेक्टीव आसा. आयज काल आमी पळयलेले आसा की आम आदमी पार्टी, RG, TMC have supported the ruling candidates of either deputy speaker or presidential candidate. So कोण कोणाचो बी टीम आहा तो आयज एक्सपोज जालो. But anyways, I don't want to speak about politics and I am not come as a congressman, but I have come as a concerned citizen to support these individual people who will do good to their wards and to ultimately to protect against this destructive project which the government is forcing on us, especially when this concluded session has clearly exposed that how coal is been planned to be bought in Goa, how Goa is to be made coal hub.
Orville Bab, you've been the founder member and you've been very vocal about a lot of projects, opposed a lot of projects. Now you have come down to panchayat level. How many candidates you have supported and what is the basic intention?
Thus far, we have fielded over 60 candidates and a few more are expected to file their nomination before the close of nominations on Monday. Our main objective is to put in fresh candidates who have seen what is the destruction happening around them, maybe the coal issue, the tree linear projects, or even their local issues pertaining to their villages. Every village has their own peculiar issues, which I don't want to elaborate here, but we have, we are, as Goencho Ekvott, we are backing the youth, especially the youth. Some people say it is about tomorrow. It is not about tomorrow. It is today that we have to save our villages. There has been mass destruction, our coastlines. In my childhood, we used to see a lot of sand dunes. Today, it's so difficult to not even find a sand dune in our village, in the village where I reside. So these are, natural barriers against the cyclonic wind and stuff like that. So we understand as environmentalists more than anything else that we need to stand up for our motherland Goa. First, if Goa, there is goodwill and prosperity among our citizens, this can translate to the rest of India. So we have to start from our wards, our constituencies, and move on.
Orville Bab, as a candidate, yes, you are saying they are young and dynamic and want to do something. Enka tumi select kela or they have approached you? How was the procedure of selecting these candidates?
There was a process actually. We went through village after village. Last 2-3 months we have been going around the villages and meeting concerned citizens. Not all of them are young. Some of them are senior citizens. Some are retired government officials. They have come to us because there was no backing as such. See, they don't want to be identified with any political party. And as we understand, this is not about any organization as such, a political organization. So they wanted somebody to, to be as a backer. And most of them have approached Goencho Ekvott, saying what we have done. We are just a nascent organization. We just completed 2 years on the 20th of July. So we are not there for long. But yes, as service to the community, most of our executive members have been there working on from the grassroots level. So they have a huge connect across the constituencies.
Besides Mormugaon, which other areas that you have fielded candidates?
We have candidates from Kankon, we have in Kalangut, we have in Sangam also some candidates we have pulled. We have in Kapiang, parts of Kapiang, not all Kapiang constituency. So that is, even in Salsed we have so many candidates.
So everybody who is willing to work and is upset with the present situation, you all have identified and placed them for the panchayat?
Not all of them are this. See, this goes across party lines. There is no These are the people who are there, not only from the opposition, there are some also who are from the ruling also, who are there, but Goenkar means Mogi, Goencho Ekvott. So we are cutting across party lines. Goencho Ekvott is not about any particular political party. It is about Goa.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.